everyone, I am back again with another style video. This time I am putting on some tights. It's not quite warm enough yet for just shorts, and I'm finding the older I'm getting, the shorty shorts without tights are not really my jam. This is a bodysuit. So if you guys watch Real Housewives of anything, for some reason this was like the shirt that they were wearing in their confessional interviews. Somebody that follows me, I would posted about this shirt and she had this like knockoff version of it. So she actually sent it to me, which was really nice of her. I sent her a print in exchange. I think in the background I'm actually watching the Real Housewives when I made this video. But anyways, I just really like this shirt. I realize that's as far as it zips up. The only thing I don't like about this shirt specifically is the arms are a little baggy, but I think that's just because it's not like the highest quality of shirts. I also got deodorant stains on it and didn't even realize till after I filmed. So, you know, it is what it is. It's also a really good look over my nylons. These are just some high-waisted shorts. I'm not sure who makes these. I will credit everything that I am wearing in the description below, although I have to tell you that this shirt is unbranded. The nylons I got on Amazon, and I'm not even sure if these shorts have a brand either, so I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to credit the stuff I'm wearing in this one. Also make sure when you're wearing these nylons that you get the little, like, tummy control part high enough that you're not seeing it under your shorts. This bow, it's a little black velvet bow. I actually got this at the Fox Blood Shop store. They actually have a physical store in LA. So I went there and got this little bow. I'm kind of digging this kind of 60s look. I don't think about the back of my hair often enough. I think I just kind of focus on what the front looks like, but I really like the way these big floppy bows look on the back of your hair. I wish my hair wasn't so dark sometimes because I do like the black, but the bright colorful is not really my thing. These little spider brooches I got from Spiderweb Love. I really love putting these tiny little, I don't know if they're brooches or clips, I don't know what they're called, but just putting two of them on a collared shirt or a collared sweater. I think it's a really cute idea to make a, I don't know, more sort of like basic thing have a little bit more edge to it, especially, you know, if you have something like this that's a spider or maybe a little skull or like a little Mickey Mouse or something like that. I just think it's a cool look. These were actually hard to get through this collar material because it was kind of thick fabric, but I don't know. I think it's cute. These are just little rhinestone dudes. And then I'm going to put on this ring. I don't remember where I got this ring. Maybe Lovisa. And then these earrings I got from Stupid Kitsch. Stupid Kitsch. That's a hard word to say. I love heart-shaped hoops, and I had this pair I wore forever, and somehow I lost them, and then I found these ones at Stupid Kitsch, and I love them. What I really love about them is they're not crazy heavy. They look heavy because they're really big, but they're not. These are some over-the-knee suede boots from Aldo. I like them because they're comfortable. I'm not, oh, you can see my nylon line up there on my thigh. I'm not a super big fan of over-the-knee boots that are flat. I feel like they kind of look a little piratey or Peter Pan-y. I don't know what it is, but I like a little bit of a heel. But sometimes the over-the-knee heeled boots can get a little crazy and uncomfortable. So I really like these because they're not super aggressive. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you want to see more style videos or, you know, specific types of videos. If there's anything I'm not crediting, if you have any questions, please let me know. And also if there's, you know, other types of videos you guys still want to see, leave them in the comments below and I'm happy to oblige and give you the content you want to see. Hope everyone's having a great day. See you next time.